I'm Crystal and welcome to my channel, The Crazy Life of Crystal. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my sea moss gel. And I know I did a video before where I made sea moss and elderberry gel, but I used powdered sea moss. And I've had a couple of people ask me about how you make sea moss gel from the sea moss in the raw. So this is raw organic sea moss, and yeah, let's go. So of course your sea moss straight out of the pack is going to be hard and a little grimy from, you know, dirt and debris of the sea. So you're definitely going to want to rinse your sea moss. I already gave mine a good rinse, and as you can see, the texture changes as soon as it hits the water. So it softens up, and what we're going to do is we're going to let it soak overnight. You can let it soak for 12 to 48 hours. I'm anxious to get my sea moss tomorrow, so I'm just going to let it soak overnight. So we're just going to add in some more of our spring water. Make sure we don't use tap spring water. So we want to get that nice and covered. And again, just kind of swishing through just to loosen up any dirt and debris. And then we'll cover this with our saran wrap, pop it in the fridge for about 12 hours. And in the morning, we'll give her a blend and we'll have our sea moss. So I will see you guys in the morning. It's morning. Okay, no, but seriously, we're back. It's morning, and look at our sea moss. Isn't it great? Ugh, I love the texture. Okay, so I took the liberty of rinsing it off the excess water and cutting it up because just to be on the safe side, we don't want it to get tangled up in our blender. So yeah, I'm gonna toss this in. Oh, that was a long piece, but yeah. All right, and then we're gonna add our spring water. Not too much, because you don't want it to be too watery. And you can always add more to get the texture that you want. So we'll start with that and see how it goes. So let's see what we got. Oh yeah. So very good consistency. Take that out. And I put this in my mason jar. Look at that, guys. Liquid gold. And so if you want to sweeten up your sea moss, you can always do like I did in my sea moss and elderberry infused video, where I basically just boiled my elderberry and used the water from that in my sea moss instead of just using the plain spring water. Of course, boiling the elderberry in my spring water. I want to scrape all of this in, and we sit it in the refrigerator, let it sit. And you can use sea moss gel in just about anything, but I like to put it in my soups. You can put it in your smoothies. If you're making it for the kids, applesauce. It's just something great to add to your diet. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time.